In this video, we are going to see exercise 6.5, third problem and fourth problem. In figure, first third problem, in figure ABCD is a triangle right angled at A, and AC perpendicular to BD, Then show that AB square is equal to BC into BD. Then first we have to write given ABD is a triangle right angled at A, and one more thing, AC perpendicular to BD. Prove that. First one, AB square is equal to BC into BD. So to prove this one, which two triangles you have to take? That is very, very important. So BC, BD. BC, the side is here, BC, and BD, that is full side. So I'm going to take a triangle ABC. First triangle ABC. And then the full triangle. We have a BD only, no? So take a full triangle, that is BDA. Clear dakana? So first, which triangle we are going to take? Proof. In triangle BCA and triangle B two triangles we have taken. Now how we can prove that the two triangles are similar? That is, each angle C in this triangle and the angle A in this triangle is equal. Angle C, that is BCA, and here the angle is BAD, each 90 degree. And then angle B is common. Angle B is equal to angle B, that is common. Therefore, by AA similarity criteria, we can tell that the triangle BCA is similar to the triangle BAD. Okay, we say that the two triangles are similar. Since the two triangles are similar, I can tell that the corresponding sides are in proportion. Corresponding sides are in proportion. So what are the corresponding sides? The corresponding sides, or for this triangle I'm going to take AB divided by DB, AB divided by DB is equal to BC of this triangle and the same AB. I tell you one short trick also. What we have to prove? AB. No, AB square is equal to BC into BD. So write AB square as AB into AB, and then AB into AB is equal to BC into BD. This only we have to prove, no? One AB you have to shift to the right hand side denominator, and BD or BC, anything you have to shift to the left hand side. AB divided by BC is related to the first triangle, so second triangle. So we should not shift this BC. We have to shift AB divided by BD. Clear? BC is related to the first triangle, so you should not shift that one. The another one also, another one only you have to shift. Keep it in mind, okay? And then BC first triangle and AB of second triangle. So first triangle side divided by second triangle side, and then first triangle side divided by second triangle side. So like this one day you have to take the corresponding side. This is a trick one day. The corresponding sides are in proportional. Corresponding sides are in proportional. Okay, now cross multiply it. BC into DB. So AB square is equal to BC into DB. This only you have to prove. Since the two triangles are similar, I can tell that this side of the second triangle and this angle of the second triangle and this angle of the first triangles are equal. CDA, and then it is equal to CAB. Mark this as 1. Third angle of a similar triangle. That is, these two angles are common angle B. This is 90 degree and this angle is equal. Okay, clear? So now next one we have to prove that the next one is second one AC square is equal to BC into DC. So now you have to tell that which two triangles we have to take. BC, DC. So where is BC? BC is here and DC is here. So this is one side and this one is one side. So you have to take a two triangle, that triangle 1 and triangle 2. BAC is the first triangle and ACD is the second triangle. This two triangle I am going to take now, that in triangle ACB and triangle CDA. In this two triangle, which one is equal? This is 90 degree, means what about this angle is 90 degree. So angle ACB is equal to angle BCA. Change it. Okay, CC. Each 90 degree. And one more thing is, in this two triangle, this angle is equal to this angle. We know that by the first one. So you can write that here, CAB is equal to angle CDA from 1. Now we can tell that by AA similarity criteria, triangle ACB is equal to similar to the triangle CDA. Okay, now we proved that the two triangles are similar. So from the trick one day I am going to write the corresponding side, that what we have to write, AC into AC. AC into AC is equal to BC into DC. So DC is the second triangle, so you have to shift that AC divided by DC is equal to BC divided by AC. Clear? this corresponding side only I am going to write. AC divided by DC is equal to BC divided by BC divided by AC. Now cross multiply it. If you cross multiply, what you will get? BC into DC. So AC square is equal to BC into DC. Clear kana? Is there any doubt? So now we have to prove the third subdivision, that AD square is equal to BD into CD. So where is BD? The full angle is a full side BD, and CD is where? Here. So I have to choose this triangle and the whole triangle. This triangle and whole triangle. Based on the proof only, I am finding the triangles. Which two triangles we have to take? Okay. So in triangle ADB, that is full triangle ADB, and triangle ADC. I'm taking the two triangles, that is second triangle and the second triangle and the whole triangle. Okay. This is 90 degree and this angle is 90 degree. Here angle A is 90 degree, no? Angle here C is 90 degree. So AC D, each 90 degree, and the angle D is common. ADB is equal to ADC, that is common. Therefore, by AA similarity criteria, we can tell that the triangle ADB is similar to the triangle ADC. So now we proved that the two triangles are similar. From this only I am going to take the corresponding side, because many students will do mistake in this only. So AD square we can write AD into BD into CD. So 1 AD you have to write here, and the CD only the second triangle. CD second triangle side, CD only second triangle side. So I am writing here. Next, see here CD, no? That's why I am choosing that this is the side of the second triangle. Next, BD divided by AD. AD divided by CD is equal to BD divided by AD. That the corresponding sides are in proportion. Therefore, we can tell that cross multiply it, AD into AD, BD into CD. AD square is equal to BD into CD. So now we proved that the third one also. The first to prove the first subdivision, we have to take this triangle and the whole triangle, and to prove the second subdivision, you have to take this and this, ACB and ACD, and for the third one, this second triangle and the whole triangle. Just we prove that the triangles are similar, and then you have to tell that the corresponding sides are in proportion, and then you can prove the thing. AB square is equal to BC into DB, and second one is AC square is equal to BC into DC, and third one is AD square is equal to BD into CD. Thank you. Next, fourth problem. ABC is an isosceles triangle right angled at C. Right angled at C. Prove that AB square is equal to 2AC square. ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle. Since it is isosceles triangle, I can tell that any two sides equal. BC and AC. BC and AC. And since this is right angle, one angle, angle C is 90 degree. So given ABC is an isosceles triangle right angled at C. Since this is isosceles triangle, I can tell that AC is equal to BC and angle C is 90 degree. We have to prove that AB square is equal to 2AC square. So I'm going to prove we have only one triangle, that too right triangle. So I'm going to use the Pythagoras theorem to prove this problem. Okay. Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem, we can write that AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square. Hypotenuse, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. So instead of this BC, instead of this BC, I can write AC, because we want to prove that only AB square is equal to AC, not BC. So instead of BC, I'm going to substitute AC, that is from given. AB square is equal to AC square plus AC square. So AB square is equal to 2AC square. This only we have to prove. That is AB square is equal to 2AC square. This is very easy problem. Thank you.